Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and luxurious trends of 2026, the rise of the ultimate motorhomes. These aren't your average RVs parked at a roadside campground. These are multi-million-dollar rolling mansions, designed by some of the most iconic luxury automakers in the world. I'm talking about Rolls Royce, Bugatti, Mercedes, and more. Each one is built to completely redefine what it means to travel, blending the world of high-end automobiles with the comfort and extravagance of five-star living. So, let's imagine this for a second. You're driving down an open highway, the sun setting in the distance, and instead of pulling up to a hotel, your motorhome is the hotel. You've got a king-size bed, a private chef's kitchen, a spa bathroom, and a living room that could rival a penthouse suite in Manhattan. That's the level of lifestyle we're about to explore today. Let's start with Rolls Royce. Known as the king of automotive luxury, Rolls Royce has taken its unmatched craftsmanship and applied it to a full-size luxury motorhome. On the outside, you see the iconic Rolls Royce grille and design lines, stretched into a body that looks like a modern palace on wheels. The ride quality is unlike anything else, thanks to advanced suspension that adapts in real time to every bump in the road. Inside, the cabin is wrapped in handcrafted leather, natural wood veneers, and crystal glass fixtures. There's even mood lighting designed to simulate different times of day, so whether you want a sunrise glow or a starry night ceiling, your motorhome adapts instantly. Rolls Royce is redefining road travel not just as transportation, but as a luxury experience. Now let's move on to Bugatti. Bugatti is a brand synonymous with speed, performance, and pure exclusivity. But what happens when you take the DNA of a hypercar and expand it into a motorhome? The Bugatti motorhome of 2026 answers that question. Its aerodynamic body looks more like a spacecraft than an RV. This isn't built to lumber slowly across America, it's engineered to glide at high speed with precision handling. Inside, the cockpit feels like a private jet. The driver's seat is designed with race-inspired ergonomics, while the passenger lounge is an entirely different world. You get a panoramic glass roof, AI-driven climate and entertainment controls, and a fully connected digital suite that lets you manage everything with a simple voice command. If you're the type of traveler who refuses to compromise between adrenaline and comfort, Bugatti delivers the perfect balance. Mercedes is next on the list, and when you hear the name, you know you're getting safety, innovation, and timeless design. The Mercedes luxury motorhome of 2026 takes sustainability seriously. It's powered by a combination of all-electric drive systems and hydrogen fuel cells, giving it a range far beyond what we've seen in traditional motorhomes. That means longer trips, fewer stops, and a cleaner footprint. Step inside, and it feels like you've entered a five-star suite. The floor plan is flexible, with a spacious bedroom, an office that can transform into a lounge, and a kitchen equipped with smart appliances that run entirely on green energy. Mercedes hasn't just built a motorhome, they've built a futuristic eco-friendly lifestyle vehicle that proves luxury and responsibility can go hand in hand. Now let's talk about Aston Martin. If you've ever dreamed of taking the elegance of a British sports car and stretching it into a full-size luxury motorhome, Aston Martin has made that dream real. The design language is unmistakable: sleek lines, dramatic curves, and a level of craftsmanship that screams exclusivity. The Aston Martin motorhome features a dynamic glass roof that automatically adjusts its tint to keep the cabin comfortable while maintaining privacy. Inside, every detail is designed to make you feel special. Think leather sofas with built-in massage functions, a bed that adjusts to your body as the vehicle moves, and an immersive theater system that feels like your own private IMAX. Aston Martin has essentially turned a motorhome into a moving luxury lounge, perfect for those who want their travels to feel as glamorous as their destination. And finally, we come to something truly unique, the concept that everyone has been buzzing about. The American luxury motorhome that combines cutting-edge technology with the rugged practicality travelers here demand. It's a motorhome designed not just for highways, but for all terrains. Imagine a vehicle with lightweight armor-like protection, off-road capability, and solar panels integrated into its roof to power the interior. Inside, the space can actually transform to meet different needs. During the day it can be a living room with panoramic views, in the evening it can switch to a work studio, and at night it becomes a cozy master suite. There's even a retractable rooftop deck so you can sit outside with a glass of wine and watch the sunset from above. This is the future of the American motorhome, independent, adventurous, but without sacrificing luxury. Looking at all five, one thing is very clear. Motorhomes in 2026 are no longer just about camping or basic road trips. They've evolved into symbols of status, wealth, and technological innovation. Rolls Royce brings the palace. Bugatti brings the thrill of performance. Mercedes blends luxury with sustainability. Aston Martin adds a touch of sportiness and style. And America's own futuristic motorhome concept shows that we can combine ruggedness with the luxury lifestyle. So, the big question is, which one of these dream motorhomes would you choose? Would you go with the timeless elegance of Rolls Royce, the speed of Bugatti, the eco-luxury of Mercedes, the glamour of Aston Martin, or the rugged futuristic American concept? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear your thoughts. No matter which one speaks to you, one thing is undeniable: the future of travel is changing fast. We're stepping into an era where the journey itself is just as luxurious as the destination. These motorhomes aren't just vehicles, they're lifestyles on wheels. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content about the world's most advanced and luxurious vehicles. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.